Hey everyone, I just have a quick video for you today, but I just want to give some context. When I was going around Redlynch the other day, I went past a now disused Redlynch station and noticed the largest amount of track maintenance vehicles I had ever seen. So naturally I went home and grabbed my camera to get some pictures, which are over on my Instagram in the link below if you're interested. I then saw them working on the Kuranda rail range later that night and thought they might have headed up to Kuranda station. So the next day I went back to see if they were still there at Redlynch station or if they headed up to Kuranda. And I was lucky enough to see the Kuranda train go past all of them, which is where this clip comes from. Enjoy.